Connecting the remote controller to the drone. The remote controller is pre-paired with the drone out of the factory, allowing for immediate flight upon powering on. If the new remote controller is not yet paired with the drone, contact after sales for remote guidance on pairing. Setting parameters based on the plot and crop conditions. For the first trial flight, it is recommended to fly in an open area without wires, obstructions, or barriers. Take off. Unlock and push the throttle to take off. American hand. Left joystick. Ascend. Descend. Left rotation. Right rotation. Right joystick. Forward. Backward. Left side step. Right side step. Japanese hand. Left joystick. Forward. Backward. Left rotation. Right rotation. Right joystick. Ascend. Descend. Left side step. Right side step. Spraying. This is the water pump switch. Turn it on to start spraying, and move it to the middle position to stop spraying. One click return to home. This is the return to home button. Press and hold to activate one click return to home. The drone will fly directly back to the takeoff point, hover, and then be manually landed. If this button is shortly pressed during the return flight, the drone will pause its return. Landing. If the drone enters emergency obstacle avoidance mode or other conditions unsuitable for continued operation, it needs to land. Switch to manual operation mode by switching E lever on the upper left of the remote controller to the centered position, then move the drone to a clean, flat area for landing. Pull the throttle down fully and wait for the drone to land and the propellers to completely stop before releasing the throttle. When loss of connection between remote controller and drone, by default, the drone will continue its operations when connection is lost, or it can be set to hover in place. Low battery alert. It is important to monitor this alert and return the drone quickly to swap batteries, recharge or refill the tank.